Hi everybody, thanks for clicking on my channel. My name's Angel Marie. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy. This is my first video for this channel, and I hope everyone has a great, happy, prosperous new year of 2020, and I will catch you in the next video. Please, if you'd like to hear more about this video, continue watching. So you clicked on this video because some of you guys are interested in setting goals for the new year or 2020. I usually never do New Year's resolutions, usually never say I'm setting a New Year's resolution. I basically, it's just goals that I want to accomplish by the end of next year. And I want to just see if you guys are interested in how I set goals and how I follow through on my goals, or ways to follow through on goals. So let's get started. Number one, get started now. So I will be posting this on New Year's Eve, but it's okay if you start on the 1st of January. It really doesn't matter, but I'm just saying you don't have to just, do it because it's the new year. You can do it whenever you want. This video is good for any time of the year. But get started as soon as possible and prepare yourself for what you want to accomplish. How you can do that is through step 2. What I did this year, I've never done it like this, but I got a planner. So this is my planner. I will put the link below where I got this. It was from Amazon. It's called Go Girl Planner. And it's cute. It has a lot of good sections, and I'll put them on the screen somewhere close up, where they really outline what your goals are, how you can accomplish them. This section's it's called my life's big picture. So what do you picture for yourself? What is the big why? Like, you need a reason. When you want to accomplish something, you need a good reason. And what is that reason? Is it happiness? Is it for stability? You really need to sit with yourself and think. And this book helped me really think about things that I don't really think about, to be honest. There's a next section where it's like 5 of your top goals you want to accomplish for the year, because you could have like 20, but let's just start slow and do about 5. You want to start small. You don't want to put too much on your plate. So if you want to lose, like mine is lose 50 pounds. So you want to break that down. Okay, how are you going to accomplish to lose 50 pounds? And by what date do you want to accomplish it? So I put May 20th. May 2020, excuse me. And May to June 2020. I want to lose about 50 pounds. And how I'm going to accomplish that: eat right, work out at least 3 times a day, or do some sort of activity 3 times a day, 3 times a week. I wish I could work out 3 times a day. Yeah. So it breaks it down, and then it does health, fitness, family, friends. I don't know if you can see that. Career, business, study, heart and spiritual, financial, personal development. So it breaks it down for you easy, so you can actually figure it out. And then you can do a mind map. If you guys don't know what a mind map is, it's like you start out with one thing and then you branch off from those things. And that's mine. Don't mind my chicken scratch. And then your strategy. What are you going to do? What habits are you going to develop, to accomplish those goals? So, example, I'm going to eat slower. I'm going to plan my meals. And it's just one of my goals. I'm going to get into a routine and be consistent. I'm going to pray and meditate. I'm going to think positive affirmations, or practice positive affirmations, should I say. I'm going to count calories. That's how I chose to lose weight. But if you want to do keto or whatever, you put that in here. So it's very cool. I love it. And then there's a calendar with no dates, so you can put your own dates in. So you don't have to start January 1st. But you could start, today, December 31st. So it's totally up to you. And then at the bottom it says, this month's goals, so you remember your goals. And then your life-work balance, which I always struggle with life-work balance. What do you do for yourself? Like, okay, I go to work every day. Okay, cool. So what else do you do? What do you like to do? Do you like to cook? Do you like to dance? Do you like to play a sport? You know, like, what do you do for your own enjoyment? And then what else I think is really cool is it breaks down each day too. So let me go to this page. Again, you fill in the month and the year, and then each day, and then there's a habit tracker, because what you want to do for reaching your goals is create a habit, create a routine, because once you keep doing something over and over and over again, it becomes second nature. Just like when you lose weight and you're eating certain foods and you're and you're working out, you develop this habit, which creates you know, a routine, which creates like normalcy, so that this goal will be reached quicker and you will stick to it. That's me. That's why I need this, because I lack consistency. If I didn't have this, I don't think I would be successful. I'm going to update you guys on how this has worked for me. Of course, I've never done it, but I think it's really going to be beneficial. That's just me. And it comes with these cute little stickers. Yep. And like a little sheet. It's really small, you can't really read it, but on like examples of what you could write in here. And then we're going to go to step 3. Step 3 is track your progress. So you can do it like this, or you can put it in your phone. Some people don't want to write it out. I get it, like it's new age, like nobody writes. Or they just put on a calendar and they don't really detail it, but they have a routine that they just do, you know, like they don't need to write it down. I need to write it down. I need to see it every day. I need it somewhere. So and not just track your progress, but track your failure. So in here, I will be documenting what didn't work, what goals I didn't reach. So for January, I want to lose 10 pounds. If I don't lose 10 pounds, I'm going to document it and then figure out what I'm going to do next month to lose 10 more pounds, to reach another goal, or to reach the goal, which was 10 pounds in January. Okay, maybe I lost 8 and I want to do 2 more pounds. Okay, how am I going to get there? So you don't want to just document your progress, but your failures, because the only way to learn is through trial and error, and no one's perfect. And, you know, you need to really balance, you know, your day to day. And not every day is going to be perfect. Like, you know, oh, I was supposed to do this, this, that, and the third, and you only did 2 of those things out of the 6 things. You know, it's fine. This book is awesome. There's so many ones out there on the market. It's relatively inexpensive, under 20 bucks. This was under 20 bucks. And, you know, I've done goals. I've had goals for myself, and I've accomplished them throughout my life, and I'm sure everyone else has. But when you get older, it's kind of like you kind of get swept up in life, and sometimes you need to ground yourself. So you need to kind of step back, reevaluate, and in my case, I document it. You know, you definitely can do it however you want, but these are just 3 tips I think that are helpful for setting and accomplishing goals the new year. So I hope this helped you. I hope that you got something out of it. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please comment down below. And I will be posting twice a week, every week, if I can, which that's actually on my goal, my list of goals. I want to post twice a week, every week for you guys, since this is a new channel, and I want to really just be consistent, because like I said, I lack consistency in certain aspects of my life. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope everyone has a happy and safe new year, and I will see you in my next video.